Hey everyone. This hair is just like a disaster. Look at that. Okay. Ugh, it's one of those days, you guys. Oh my god. Whatever. That hair is gonna just be there. If you don't mind that hair and you want to see what I got in my Stitch Fix box, stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So, Stitch Fix time. I'm so excited to see what I got. I kind of asked for like spring stuff. Of course, when I sent my note, I was like, oh yeah, spring, it's been warm. I'm so excited. And then like the last week, it's been freaking cold in Southern California. Maybe not compared to everyone else in this world, but freaking cold. Did you see me like try and slay you with my knife? Freaking cold here. It's actually raining, so I'm sure it won't last long. We'll get back our winter weather, which is like 70 flipping degrees. I really shouldn't be complaining, right? It just feels like it's constant spring and summer in this town. But let's see what I get. So again, if you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, I'll leave all the information down below, but quick little synopsis is that it's a clothing subscription service where they send you 5 items and you pay a $20 styling fee. You can keep it all. Who is being so loud out there? You can choose what you want to keep, send back the rest. Whatever you keep, that $20 styling fee will be applied to what you purchase. And if you purchase all 5 items, they offer you additional percentage off because you kept all 5. So you have a stylist, you kind of tell her what you want, and then she sends you things. So I wish people would stop being so loud out there. It's so annoying, right? So my stylist is Cassandra, and this is actually my 9th Stitch Fix delivery. Now, just so you're aware, I probably get them monthly, but I choose when I want them to come. So I manually decide. I can go in and then just like schedule a fix. I like kind of knowing, for me, because I film, I like to make sure I get them when I have actual time to film, and kind of geared towards like what's going on. So although I get them about monthly, I don't actually have a reoccurring Stitch Fix box that comes to me. She's not giving up on these leopard flats that I have been telling her that I've been wanted, but I should probably tell her that I already purchased them. She said she had a pair of sandals, and there's some dress, a romper, which I'm not super big on rompers. I'm really picky. A shirt that I had been wanted, she said she found, and then another thing. I don't want to read everything because you got to be surprised. So yeah, so that's exciting. So you always get a little note, and then they also show you pictures of how to style the different pieces with other items you have. Sorry, someone's trying to get a hold of me. Inside, you always get the items and the price breakdown. I'll always leave what I've got and the prices down below in case you would like to get them in your Stitch Fix box. And then a bag to send everything back. You just stick it in, take it to the UPS store. You just take it to your local post office box, drop it in, you're good to go. If you're not aware, if you have an online account with the United States Postal Service, you can actually have them come pick it up. Even easier. With all that said, let's get started. So first off, the shoes. I'm not a big fan of shoes. Like, I mean, I'm a big fan of shoes, but like picking them on my own. So these are a Franco Sarto shoe. They're cute. Totally not my style. I actually am not really big on black sandals. As weird as that is, I like to keep tan in neutrals or like pinks or like bolder colors. But black shoes are just not my thing, and I really don't need sandals, I don't think. Maybe I do. But again, so these are $79. I'm not going to try these on for you guys. I feel really bad when I know I'm not going to try something on, like a shoe that's packaged like really, really well, and to take that packaging off. So I'm not going to try those on, but they're actually really cute. They're totally flat. They tie around your ankle. One of the things about shoes like this, which is another point that I don't like, that I don't mind them tying like this, but I hate to untie them. I like the ones that tie and then actually zipper in the back. Just saying, that's what I prefer. It's just a lot easier to deal with. So cute shoe if you like that. Franco Sarto is an awesome brand, and I've had Franco Sarto shoes. They're really, really comfortable. So really cute. Like it. My Stitch Fix burrito looks so small. Look at this itty bitty thing. Good things come in small packages, everyone. Don't be afraid. Don't be nervous. Okay, so the first thing is this 41 Hawthorn dark green shirt. It's actually kind of cute. It has this like, ooh, that's like a really open. Like, girl, okay, no, there's like a cami underneath. Okay, because I was looking like, you're going to be showing your goods if you make the wrong move. So it is kind of like, it does this like crossover, which I really like. It ties in the back. But the great thing is that, again, when you open it up, it does have this like cami underneath. So you're not exposing the world to your goods to the world. And then it kind of, like, you can kind of see, it kind of does a tuck in, which I actually really, really like. I actually really, really like this color. I'm not a huge fan of mixed media or mixed fabrics where like the fabric in the front is different than the back, but it's not super noticeable. When it's super noticeable, it's just something that I just can't get on board on. I don't know why. I don't like the way it looks. I don't ever notice on anyone else, but I just don't like it. Call me crazy, I know, but actually I like this one, and this could actually be really cute. I like it. Good job, Cassandra. We'll see how it fits though. This is the shirt that she talked about, and I'm actually really excited. I love the color. I love the print. Hopefully I'll love the fit. So this is by Collective Concepts, and it's the Collette Cold Shoulder, and it retails for $58. And I just love shirts like this that are a little bit unexpected. So it's basically, it comes down in a slight V, which I like. It's got these ruffled straps with the keyhole in the back, and these short off the shoulder sleeves, but they're short and they're like flowy. I love that it's not super duper long, and I can't wait, you guys. I'm really, really hoping this fits well because I'm already in love with it, and I hate that because sometimes I'm in love with it and then I like try it on and then I'm like, hate it. Hopefully not, that's not the case. Okay, we're praying, we're hoping, we're wishing. It's really early, you guys. Sorry, I gotta be at my mom's house in 30 minutes. What else? You can wait. Okay, so this is the Jolie Raquel knit dress, and it retails for $34, which I think is a really good price. So it's burgundy. It looks really big, but it has straps like this, and it's a cold shoulder. Now, I love dresses in this material because they're so easy to dress up or dress down and throw on. I love throwing dresses like this on with flip-flops and heading out the door. Now the problem with this, like this shirt, I would have to wear a strapless bra. But this for me is not a throw on and like run errands kind of thing. I'm gonna go somewhere, I wanna look fancy. But this is a dress, material and type that I would want to throw on with flip-flops and run errands and be comfy, but I'd have to wear a strapless bra with it. And that to me is, I love dresses like this, but I like to be able to be comfy and wear a bra, because for me, because I am bigger chested, a strapless bra is just not comfortable. And I would totally do it for a cute shirt when I'm going out and dressing up. But something like this where I want to be casual, I want to be able to wear a bra. So this is going to be like, pretty much I'm not going to get it, but you never know what it's going to look like on. I may love it, but because I can't wear a bra, I can't say for sure that I'd want to keep this. And the last thing is the romper. The pattern, girls, looks like it ain't for me. This is the pattern I can't get on board with. So, I just really hate the pattern. I mean, it could be okay. This is just really not me. Although, if this is you, with those black shoes, that'd be such a cute outfit. Really, really cute. Anyway, on to this. It's a romper that comes across like that. It cinches in at the waist and has these shorts. I will try this on. I have a feeling it's going to just like gape open here with my chest. Now, I don't have hips, and my midsection is probably just like not where I want it to be, but I'm very, very straight. So a lot of times rompers that cinch in because I don't have a waist just make me look like like not great. I have a few rompers that I love. One is it more a cinch in? No, they're not cinch in, they're straight. So you can like, there's no ruching in, they're just like, they just lay down like rompers, like more like a jumpsuit. So as much as I love rompers, and I don't love this pattern, but I want to love rompers, I'm more of like a jumpsuit kind of person, or a romper that doesn't cinch in at the waist. But again, it could be really cute. Rompers and jumpsuits are so in. I'm so lucky that I found a few that work for me because it's a trend that I always want to be on board with. So as always, I'm going to try these on and then tell you what I think once they're on. So let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so this is typically the portion where I try on all the great pieces for you and decide what I'm going to get. However, the timing just didn't work out. When I actually had to film the try-on portion and get the clothes back to Stitch Fix, I was really sick, and I tried to put the clothes on, and one, I felt like crap, and two, I put on the clothes and it made me feel even crappier. Like, they didn't look good. The fits were really, really off, and so unfortunately, normally I try these things on for you and just tell you what I like and don't like about them, but that on top of being sick and then having to get in front of camera is just, that combination of stuff just wasn't working for me, and I just couldn't muster up the energy to film. So I didn't do that part. I'm really sorry. I know a lot of you enjoy that portion of the video, but I promise they'll be in my future videos. But I did keep one top. So I did keep, I'll grab it for you, this blue top by Collective Concepts. I loved the sleeve. I loved everything about it. I love the color. I think it'll be really fun to dress up this summer when it starts to get warmer. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing the clothes. Again, I'll leave all the information on the stuff down below. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, I'll leave all the details down below. Go ahead and hit that link. And if you've not yet done it, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.